Hi there. I'm going to have a go at some Bead Bots. Let's see how we do. And I tell you, I've got a feeling I'm going to stick my hands together doing this. But anyway, I'm going to give it a go. Got a cat, Tallulah. She's pretty good. She owns the place, or she thinks she does. I do some work for her every now and again, don't I? Yeah. So Tallulah is the manager and I am the work person. Tallulah the cat. Anyway, let's see what we got. Hiya. Okay, well, here we are. They're only small, so there's Bead Bots. Really a beginner at this. I like the, I don't know, creativity in sort of kind of doing this. Just sort of simple beads and some glue, and you can make some really wonderful things. I must admit, I do dabble in and have for a long time in Warhammer, and I've got some stuff hanging around, and I don't know, unlike others, I'm a bit selfish and lazy. I use them, so I don't know. I don't know if the police are going to come round or something like that. But anyway, that's what I like. And the bases, I think these bases, I cast them myself. I didn't show that on the video, but I think I will do one where I have a selection of bases that I make and incorporate it in the video. But I feel like it's wasting your time, maybe, I don't know. There you go. So that's 3 of them, and you'll see the twirly bit later on. So that's it. If you can hear any noises, it's my wife trying to get out of one of the bedrooms. So there you go. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon. Okay. Bye bye.